Hey everyone, welcome back to Programmatic. Today, I want to talk about something that's been on my mind lately: artificial intelligence. AI is everywhere, from your smartphone to your car. But honestly, it's always felt a bit overwhelming to me. I mean, how does it really work? And why should I even care? If you're like me, curious but a little confused, then this video is for you. Let's dive in and see if we can make sense of it together. So, why am I making this video? Well, I realized that AI isn't just some futuristic concept, it's already part of our daily lives. From virtual assistants like Siri to recommendation systems on Netflix, AI is shaping how we interact with the world. But if I don't understand it, how can I really benefit from it? That's why I decided to embark on this journey to learn the basics of AI. And guess what? You're coming with me. Now, I'm not an AI expert, but I've found some great resources that have helped me get started. There's a fantastic course linked in the description that breaks down AI and machine learning into simple, digestible parts. So, what exactly is artificial intelligence? In simple terms, AI is a field of computer science that creates machines capable of performing tasks that would normally require human intelligence. Think of things like recognizing speech, making decisions, or even translating languages. But how is this different from regular computing? Traditional programs follow explicit instructions given by programmers. AI, on the other hand, uses algorithms that can learn from data and make decisions with minimal human intervention. It's like the difference between a manual car and a self driving car. But here's where it gets tricky. AI is built on some complex concepts like machine learning, neural networks, and natural language processing. Let's break these down one by one. Machine learning is where computers learn from data without being explicitly programmed. Neural networks, inspired by the human brain, help machines recognize patterns and make decisions. And then there's natural language processing, or NLP, which enables machines to understand and respond to human language. It's like teaching a computer to understand how we think and communicate. But here's the challenge: AI can feel really overwhelming at first. There's so much to learn, and it's easy to get lost in the jargon. I remember feeling stuck when I first tried to understand neural networks. It was like hitting a wall. But then I realized something important: AI doesn't have to be complicated. With the right resources and a bit of curiosity, anyone can start understanding and even participating in the development of AI technologies. So, what's the secret to making AI approachable? It's all about breaking it down into simple, manageable parts. Instead of trying to learn everything at once, focus on the fundamentals. Start with machine learning, then move on to neural networks, and finally explore natural language processing. And don't forget to check out the resources in the description. They've been a game changer for me. So, is AI too intimidating to learn? Absolutely not. With the right mindset and resources, anyone can start their AI journey. And if you have made it this far, congratulations. You have taken your first steps into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. Now, I want to hear from you. What do you think about AI? Have you ever tried learning it before? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more content like this. Thanks for tuning in to today's Code Chronicle. Keep coding, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video.